We're really fortunate to be able to fund not just David Corey and all of his outstanding work, but at least at this point, 8 research groups across this country and abroad. Life is about problem solving, and I think as every one of you recognizes, it's about teamwork and partnership and collaboration. We need a lot of shots on goals, gene therapies and small molecules and biologics and retinal replacements and a lot of different strategies in order to determine ultimately, which will work best. Um, we're fortunate to have individuals both on the board who come from biotech and from industry, from academia, from science, and obviously families of those with children and adults with Usher syndrome who are very focused on a cure. Um, we have individuals who recognize the value of a dollar, who recognize that we need to have groups that interface and collaborate and share their resources. But we review the work of the groups on a very frequent basis, both by the board, which again includes businessmen, biotech entrepreneurs, scientists, and parents, as well as by a truly outstanding separate scientific advisory board that we put together that include leaders from genetics, vision research, ophthalmology, and also from the pharma and biotech industry as well. Individuals who really understand when it's important to persevere and when you have to cut your losses and move on to a different strategy. So we are really focused to use our resources as finite as they are in as effective, scientific, and as cost-effective a way possible to ensure that groups are communicating and collaborating and sharing and strategizing and brainstorming together and not separately. We are very fortunate to have been able to do that and to continue to do that as we go forward. So there are many good things happening in our laboratories, many good things that are happening in clinical centers around the world. We have an outstanding scientific advisory board that helps keep us focused and make sure that we understand the value of both money and time. We thank all of you for committing yourselves, each and every one of you, to this challenge, this really enormously difficult challenge. If you've been inspired, we would like you to take a look at our website, at our case for investing, at a new major gift initiative that's called Tend to Cure, which is on our website, usher1f.org. We need your best ideas. We need your help. We need your continued input. I just want to close by sharing some words that have meant a lot to me over the years. I think all of you know we spent 20 years in Atlanta, and Morehouse College looms large in Atlanta. It's the home institution where Martin Luther King was a student. Its president, Benjamin Mays, was a major leader in the civil rights movement, inspired Martin Luther King, inspired Congressman John Lewis, who passed away this summer. Benjamin Mays wrote a poem that I just want to share with you called I Have Only Just a Minute. I've only just a minute, only 60 seconds in it, forced upon me, can't refuse it, didn't seek it, didn't choose it, but it's up to me to use it. I must suffer if I lose it, give account if I abuse it, just a tiny little minute, but eternity is in it. We thank all of you for sharing your minutes with us this morning. We know that you understand that there are children and adults whose clocks are ticking, whose world is about to go dark, who are looking into the abyss, who need our best ideas, who need us to innovate and to translate, who recognize that caring certainly matters, but caring isn't enough. It's really about curing. I want to thank each and every one of you for giving us your time this morning. and for thinking about us and for committing yourselves to this cause. Thank you very much.